Hi students, welcome to physics classes. Today we will discuss laws of motion, junior inter physics, important 4 mark questions. Now the question is explain the advantages and disadvantages of friction. Advantages and disadvantages of friction. Advantages of friction. Now first one is we are able to walk because of friction. We are able to walk because of friction. Means when we are walking, friction opposes our leg, our feet to slide on the floor. When we are walking forward, we will push the floor backward. There friction exists and it opposes to our leg to do not slide on the floor. Then we are able to walk easily. Next, it is impossible for a car to move on a slippery road. Like we are walking, like we are walking when the wheel is moving, when the car is going, wheel is moving forward. When the wheel is moving forward, in the sense that grip pushes the floor back. So there should be a friction that pushes the car forward. If there is no friction, what will be happen? Wheel will slip on the floor. Wheel will slip on the floor. That's why our roads has more friction. Cars or any vehicles will move easily. If it is slippery road, it is not possible to move the car. Next, braking system of vehicle work with help of friction. Braking system, whenever we press the brake, that pushes the wheel to stop, that opposes the motion of the wheel. If there is no friction, what will be happen? It will slide easily. Wheel will slide. When we press the brake, wheel will be sliding, so it won't stop. So friction is necessary to stop the vehicle also. Next, friction between roads and tires provides the necessary external force to accelerate the car. Already we discussed, when the wheel is moving forward, it pushes the floor back, it pushes the road back. So when the wheel pushes the road back, road road pushes the wheel forward, vehicle forward, vehicle forward. So that road is giving necessary external force to the vehicle to accelerate. The road giving necessary external force to accelerate the car. Next, transmission of power to various parts to the machine through belts is possible by friction. So from one mission to another mission, belt will be connected. One wheel is rotating, opposite another one also rotates with the help of belt. If there is no friction, what will be happen there? Another one will be slides, so it won't move. So there also friction is necessary. Next, friction help us to pick and hold a book. Anything if we want to hold with our hands, there should be a frictional force. Without friction, we can't hold any objects, it will slides. If an object, uh, if we apply oil to it, then what will be happen? There is no friction. For a metal object, if you apply oil, there is no friction, friction will be reduced, then it will be slides from our hands. So to hold any object, we need frictional force. Next, friction helps to drive nails and screws into the walls. Whenever we want to keep a nail to the wall or any screw, there should be a friction, otherwise it will come out easily. If there is a friction, it will be stable. These are the advantages of friction. Next, disadvantages of friction. Friction decreases the speed of moving vehicle. Friction decreases the speed of moving vehicle. Whenever a vehicle, if we stop pressing accelerator after traveling some distance, it is getting stopped. That is because of frictional force. It opposes the motion of the body, so it is opposing the moving car. Next, friction causes wear and tear of missions. Wear and tear means loss or damage of the parts of the mission. So because of friction, if you use more days, it gets damaged. Next, friction between tree branches causes forest fires. So whenever one tree touches to other tree, rubbed each other and produces heat and then causes forest fire. Next, friction produces unwanted heat in engines which leads to loss of energy. If a vehicle, if a machine works more time, then what will be happen? Heat will be generated. Due to that heat, its efficiency gets lost. Means its energy gets lost. These are the advantages and disadvantages of friction, which is very important question for junior inter physics 4 marks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.